Welcome everybody back to another video. Today we'll be playing more Animal Company with this guy. It's not even mine, I just stole it from him. Right, let's go.
Come here. No, don't come here. Alright, where are we going next? First.
Depends where you want to go. Also, you guys can comment like down on the comment section thingy-wingly, and you can, just choose the map where we can go, what game we should play next, because if it costs money then it's not done, guys, it's just a game.
Right, we're going to shoot, because why not?
My guinea pigs
and you
are
have the hoverboard on your back, so if you need, you reach behind your back.
Where'd I put can this go in my back? Wait, I just realised if we ever want to get out I can just...
Right, turn on your flashlight.
It's on.
You need the flashlight. No, come here, you got my mom's back. Oh wait, come back now. Come back now.
Spider-Man. 360.
Yes, I thought you were so scared.
Wait, what if I hit? What if the chicken? What if I hit?
Oh, meat, move, I need the meat.
Alright, anyway, let's go. You need to kill the red light green light, because I can't kill it.
Wait.
I'm coming.
I'm not ready!
Coming.
Okay.
If you guys ever want to play with us, we're always in the code 𝘼𝙤𝙢𝙤.
And only Gorilla Tag and Animal Company. But today, if you're watching this video, we will be in Animal Company. But tomorrow, we will be on. If we're not on, we'll have to go to school first. So.
Oh, I made it out.
Normally, you're like, oh, that's so hard. But you know, you can damage the eyeball by hitting its eyeball.
I don't think I want to do that.
Yeah.
Right, how are we gonna kill this little Jimmy thing?
Hi, Jimmy.
Hi, Jimmy. How am I supposed to get past him? I'm scared of him. He's gotta come for me. I swear to God.
Oh, just come on. Above an actual ball.
Run.
Right. Holy.
Oh, there's cola. Go. So there's nothing else we need to do anymore. We just get across.
Hopefully no music plays because copyright.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna add music. Woo!
Definitely no add music. You can add like cool music.
Let's play this a cheat code. This is a fill.
Yeah, but I can just go and buy another grapple.
Wait, I just realized I can use hoverboard. Oh wait, I forgot that. You're lucky you've got that. Yeah, that's true. You probably need a flashlight, don't you? How?
Because I'm stuck.
Don't die.
I'm trying.
Wait, that's gonna run out.
How?
Wait, can it not run out?
No, it just depends on my health and I'm really low. Right, let's go to the quick exit so I can kill more chickens and get more health.
More chickens!
Right,
I wanna slam it.
You wanna have?
Yep. Look, watch this, guys. See, we teleported back. Huh? Where are you? Huh? Where are you?
I'm in heaven.
Look up. Ah!
Wait, I bet I could. Come here. Right.
Good damn aiming.
So this is what I'm going to be selling. I'm going to be selling all of this.
There's not, you didn't even get anything.
Yeah, because I'm an idiot.
Didn't you drop everything over here and it just despawned?
No. There was 3 things. You've got the hoverboard on your back. Nico, give me the grappler.
Alright, I'll take the hoverboard then.
No, take the heart gun.
Oh!
You can pull out your storage, you know.
Wait, so does that mean, how does this work?
Right, I'll drop this on the floor.
Ow!
I know it does damage.
Why? Well, let's
But
just...
it doesn't, you can't die by it. So, I'm best with grappler.
Wait,
this time we're going to mines.
Okay.
I'm so bad. Wait, is the video still going?
What?
The video's still going.
Yeah, it's still going.
Hopefully this video turns out good. Nice. With
Damn!
you know that can pull me towards you.
Oh, let's do that.
Rather you don't do that. Right, I will put me.
Can we pull you out?
I will put stuff in my bag this time because why not?
I think there's one right here. Yeah, I've got one for you.
By the way, hopefully, Nico, don't you just want to record with Just Toasty?
Just Toasty?
Yeah, he's the best.
Yeah, I really want to record with him. I'm a big fan.
But
Everybody please tag Just Toasty so that I can maybe play with him. Please.
I would love to play with him.
Especially you, because you're a wimp.
Okay. That's where you should up.
Oh damn. I'm stuck. What?
I don't care.
If someone listens to me,
I am mining away.
Go! I just done a poo on the floor. What you gonna do about it, you stupid bad word?
Punch you in the face.
Guys,
Right, I am done with my stuff. I'd rather not go to the cave where I die by a spider again.
oh look, Oreos. Whee, Oreos! What does this do?
That's a landmine. Obviously. Don't you dare kill me too.
Come here.
I mean, if you aim at me, then you missed.
Not that.
No.
Can I die?
No, not by it. No. My grappler! Nico, give it back. I'll count to 3.
No, they don't know my name. I'm gonna bleep that out.
Okay.
They're not supposed to know my name.
You should bleep the other one out when we're at the cave because I said your name. I thought they already knew your name.
What's my name?
Bleeping. What's your name?
I'm not telling you.
You should name reveal. But let's hit all the buttons.
Oreo, away! I can Oreo the skivity of Oreo gods. Tuk tack tack tuk tack.
Who's kissing you? Me. No. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Where'd you go, Bleep?
Punching me in the face like.
I can fly, see? You know what's stopping me? Skibbity toilets. You show brain rot.
Okay.
Tire grapplers.
Nico, I think it's time to end the video.
Really?
Yes.
Damn. Okay, we'll go back to America and tell you something very horrible. And this guy told you me to. Okay.
Nico, look at me.
This is the end of the video.